Hey everybody, so versus the HTML, CSS, I'm going to go into student preview mode. So I can see what you see and you see what I see, and my rhyme has ended. Okay, so week one, this is for day two, and I could have sworn I just sorted these. But anyway, oh, I did. Okay, it's right. So day two is where we're going to be talking about wireframing. And so let's go ahead and click on that. And this video is going to be about this last link right here, which is going to lead you into these assignments that you see down here. So let's go ahead and click on that. This is, again, as you can see, going to a Figma website. And these are where the lessons are. So you'll note on here, like assignment one is lessons, getting started. What is graphic design? Design thinking and skills. And the design exercise is design brief and mood board. So this is how you access it. There's so like I said, get started, what is graphic design, and design thinking and ethics. So you would watch these videos and read the articles with it. Getting started, what is graphic design, and I think it was design thinking and ethics. It's a 10-minute read, 9-minute read, 5-minute read, so it'll take you less than a half an hour to do it. And then you do the assignment down here, the design exercises. So I'll do separate videos for each of these in case anybody gets stuck. You have a resource. If you don't get stuck, if you're able to do it, great. And but this video was just focusing on how to get to that last link and where to find these assignments that you see. So wait for the next video. Thank you.